Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to a quick in-depth review about this AI platform, which is Heropost. So Heropost in 2025 is an easy-to-use tools that help you manage all your social media accounts in one place. First, sign up and connect to your Instagram, Facebook, TikToks, and other profile. Then you can schedule posts in advance, either one by one or in bulk using a spreadsheet. Heropost AI help by writing a caption, picking the hashtag, and even choosing the best times to post for minimum engagement. You can also track how well your post performed with the simple report and see how you can compare to competitors. So if you work with teams, HeroSpot lets you assign roles and set up approval and share a report with clients. The 2025 version comes with a cool new features like AI-powered tips to improve the post, automatic resizing for different platforms, and even voice video scheduling for stories and reels. So you can connect chatbot for quick customer replies and repurpose content across the network with one click. Whether you are a solo creator or a business, Heropost save times, automatic tasks, and giving a smart insight to grow your audience. Just set up, schedule your content, and let Herospot handle the best while you focus on creating a great post. And that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform and how it can help you automate your social media platform. And that's it.